Ajinomoto Group, founded in 1909, is producing and selling various seasoning and processed food in 130 countries and regions. For over half a century, since its launching in 1961, Ajinomoto Malaysia has been a main force in serving its local customers, as well as in its continuous innovation process. Ajinomoto, Umami seasoning, and Tumix, flavor seasoning, are among its most popular products. These innovation-done Ajinomoto Application Center, one of Institute of Ajinomoto Group. Food with quality is food to leads to a healthy lifestyle. Assisting its customers to pursuing a future with healthier and tastier food has always been the mission for Ajinomoto Group.
Asset Application Center, or in short, we call it AAC. AAC is a center of application providing value to the ASEAN regions by leveraging new technology from Ajinomoto Japan. Application means demonstrating the functions of Ajinomoto unique specialty ingredients knowledge by providing effective solutions, for example, quality improvement or cost reduction for ASEAN affiliates product development, for instance, flavor seasoning, menu seasoning, instant noodle, and beverages. With this two-way communication via AAC, the center is able to contribute to Ajinomoto Malaysia industrial product business expansion and assist Ajinomoto to realize the world #1 seasoning business. Our interim goal here is to become a trusted advisor and valuable organization to Ajinomoto Group with the Oyakudachi feeling. Oyakudachi is a Japanese word, means valuable contribution by thinking of customer needs with hospitality.
Other than its role as an innovative food product producer, Ajinomoto also serves as an important source vendor for processed food manufacturers throughout the region.
We look forward for future cooperation with Ajinomoto Malaysia and Japan as a working partner in enhancing business for both Ajinomoto and APS Manja.
As a halal-certified producer, Ajinomoto is dedicated in serving not only the local Islamic community, but also other Islamic countries. As its motto of pursuing the essence of tastes in food in order to better serve its customers in maintaining their well-being, Ajinomoto Group will always strive in delivering the quality food products to the world.